Hi everybody, thanks for watching. If you're watching this video, you want to figure out how to set the combination lock on an OnGuard bike lock or cable locking system. This is what they look like, or many of them look like at the store. They come preset with a combination. I've already got one open, ready to go. Here they are up close, and don't worry, I'll print out the steps and leave it at the end so you can watch it yourself again if you need to. This is 0000. This model came preset to 0005. The right side pulls away. There you go. So now what you're left with is a little silver disc at the end with a hole in it. That disc has to be turned to set the combination. So we're going to turn it clockwise. Probably about a quarter turn, you heard it click, and then you can set whatever combination you want. It was 0005. We're going to set for demonstration purposes 1, 2. Guess what's going to be last? You're right, 4. Okay, we're going to set up 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be in line with this little notch here that goes across. And now that same silver disc on the right that we turned a quarter turn to the right clockwise, we're going to turn counterclockwise to set this combination in. Here we go. About a quarter turn, it's locked. Now we test. Grab your other end. Insert. Let's go back to 0000. And it does not open. Back to the combo. There you go. So you can use this same procedure. Open it, turn the disc to the right, set your new lock, turn the disc to the left, test. You can use that to change a combination anytime you want. We're not going to leave this one at 1, 2, 3, 4 because that one always gets broken for some reason. There you go. Hey, I hope this helps you. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Hit subscribe if you really like and want to help out my little channel. Thanks for watching.